Hi, my name is Fernando Gonzalez, I'm instructor and peers, and this is my version of the PHP Motors page. See, this is how it looks like in large screen. I designed thinking in mobile first, so I'm using two media queries, one for large screen and the other one for medium screen. And this is a medium screen. This is a media query for large screen. And that is how it looks like in small screens, phones or tables. So I want to show you that okay, the checklist first. The view is fully operational. Well, I think that everything is working pretty well. Um, Valid HTML and valid CSS. So let's valid my page in order to see that everything's going well. Valid local CSS. Okay, no errors. Local HTML and document checking completed. No errors or warning to show. Mm, let's see the wave evaluation tool. There are no errors and or contrast errors. Okay, both files. Okay, I want to show you the template and home, so you can see that I am using the PHP extension. This is my home PHP, sorry, and I am using an extension from the header for the header, the nav, and as well as the footer. Mm, my template is this one. It looked very similar to the homepage, but the homepage is more polished with content. And here I have my snippets, one for the footer, header, and nav. So, well, that is all. Thank you.